Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2014 GMC Terrain and I will show you how to remove and replace the key fob battery. This video should apply to GMC Terrains made from 2010 all the way up to 2017. Now this is very easy to do and no specialty tools are needed. Now to start, first press this button to get the mechanical key out of its slot. And now what you will do, you will gently press this cover up with your thumb. So there is no much force needed. You just want to pop it out just like this, you see. And you will get direct access to the battery. And the battery you will need, it's a CR2032. Okay, and now to remove the battery from the key fob housing, you can use like a small flat screwdriver, even a kitchen knife will probably work. You just want to gently pry it out. And that's it. Once you have a new battery, just pop it in, put back the cover, and that's everything you have to do. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.